Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the device ready. Check battery and make sure buttons respond. This prevents mid-run failures. Once done, hold the start/stop and split /lap positions in mind so you won't fumble. Press reset to display 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, then start immediately when the event begins. You do this to record accurate zero time and to establish consistency, so every trial starts from the same baseline. Make sure to position your finger lightly over start to react fast and breathe. Now you manage ongoing timing. Press split or lap to capture intermediate marks without stopping the main timer. This preserves continuous elapsed time while logging segments. If you need to pause, use start/stop. However, remember some models let split record while the primary time continues, so check behavior quickly. Once a lap is recorded, glance at the display and confirm the number. Make a short note if you need to correlate with events. Keep your workflow, record, confirm, continue. To finish, press start/stop to halt elapsed time and then save results according to your device. Some require a long press on lap or a save command in the app. Once saved, reset to clear the display, but only after confirming your data was stored. If using a connected app, export immediately. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot now. Remove the battery for 10 seconds or force close and reopen the app to restore button response. If times still mismatch, repeat one controlled trial to verify accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.